Well, hello. Today I'm going to be talking to you about our miracle set. I love the word miracle because it truly gives you a miracle on your skin. So I'm going to walk you through the process now and do it right on my skin to show you what it looks like and how it feels. So this is how the miracle set comes. It has a cleanser, day cream with or without SPF, your choice, night cream for nighttime restoring, and also an age-fighting eye cream that will help fight fines and lines and wrinkles around your eyes. So the first step that you do is the TimeWise cleanser. This has now a 4-in-1, which means it's going to cleanse, exfoliate, freshen, and now brighten your skin, which is really cool. So it will remove the dead surface cells of your skin. You can actually use this product in the shower, and you just dot your face, get it on a couple areas, and with having your skin wet, it will also get a little bit more soapy and creamy, as you can see, with a little bit of moisture there. Also, you can cleanse right in the shower, but for a deeper clean, you can actually use a Skinvigorate brush. This is our Sonic, and this product actually, you typically would want to do 15 seconds an area. It has an automatic shut off after a minute, and this will actually deep clean your skin. A dermatologist would actually recommend using a brush when you cleanse your face. You will get much more product off. You'll get a deeper clean to your skin. It polishes and refines your skin and really, really feels good. This brush also has an optional massage attachment that will actually massage and help tighten and firm your skin, your neck, and all the areas that we age. So this really feels great to cleanse with and just makes your skin feel more softer, brighter, and cleaner for sure. So once I'm done with my brush, I actually just go ahead and take my facial cloth and I go ahead and wipe off all the rest of the cleanser. Now the cleanser really feels good. It has vitamins in there and nutrients that actually soften your skin, fight the aging process, gets rid of the dead surface cells, and now I'm clean and feeling great. So that feels so good to do morning and night and make your skin feel really good. Okay, so now I'm gonna walk you through an optional product that's called the microdermabrasion, and you'll hear more about that later, but that has aluminum oxide crystals that dermatologists recommend to get rid of 3 days of dead skin, which is even more amazing. So this product added to your miracle set gives you an ultimate miracle. And then the second step is a pore minimizer to help reduce pore size. All right, so since we're doing our morning routine, I'm gonna go ahead and do the day cream, not the night, and then the night one would be used for later on this evening. So the day cream has a minimized 3D anti-aging moisturizer as well as an SPF of 30. You can get this product without SPF. But what I love is that all of our products, they don't have any fragrance in them. They're safe for sensitive skin, even rosacea, and they just feel really, really good. This will hydrate your skin over 12 hours. And you notice how very little I used? It spreads around very easily. So you can even go down your neck. Just a pea size is all you need, and that will hydrate your skin, feel really good. We actually carry that in 2 formulas, both normal dry and combination oily for the entire set. And that just feels so moisturizing and so soft. Okay, so now we're gonna get to the eye cream. Anyone after the age 23 should definitely be using an eye cream to fight fine lines and wrinkles around your eye area. So it's important to start using that area and protecting with an eye cream. This will help with dark circles, fine lines and wrinkles, puffiness, kind of does it all. And this is quick absorbing. You want to try and press it in as much as you can over rubbing hard. And this will help firm up the skin around the eyes and fight the aging process. Now we do have other eye creams as well as other skincare lines that I'm going to show you that we offer. We've got a TimeWise repair set that goes to work on more advanced signs of aging, which is fabulous. It's got some retinol in there. We also have a clear proof line for women or teenage, even boys that might struggle with acne. We've got a clear proof set for them. We also have a botanical line that's great for young skin. It doesn't provide the anti-aging benefits, but will actually give young skin a great start to a skincare. Typically our young adults, teenage girls up through their 20s can use the botanical line. And then we also have a naturally line. It is a third-party certified natural derived ingredients that it has the Cosmos standard, and it has been manufactured in France. Over 14 or 1,500 ingredients were banned in order to make this product natural. It is incredible. It comes with a cleanser, an exfoliating powder, and 2 different kinds of moisturizer, either through an oil that you can use in your hair, your cuticles, or a moisturizing stick for fast on-the-go wear for moisturizer. So it's been really fun to see all the different lines that we offer now in Mary Kay, including a men's skincare line, which is nice as well. So this was actually just walking you through the skincare line. Now I'm gonna quickly finish up with the last step that I would consider skincare, which is actually your foundation. Because without a foundation on, your skin is like a magnet for dirt. Anything that comes your way is just gonna stick. But when you have foundation on, you create a shield and nothing can get in. So the next product we're gonna use is called a foundation primer. Primer actually can help with some redness. It'll help keep your skin looking really soft, smooth. It's like Hollywood secret. It also will help your foundation stay on longer, fresher, and it just feels like rose petals hitting your skin. It feels so soft. It's very quick and absorbing. So that's the primer. The next product I'm gonna use is my fabulous blending brush. This brush makes you look like you've been airbrushed. It's incredible wear for your foundation. And I'm gonna be using our Matte Wear 3D foundation, which is my favorite. It gives a little bit more coverage than what our CC cream would, but we also have other lines of foundation, such as mineral powder. We've got the CC cream. We also have a cream to powder finish. So what I'm gonna do is just dot my face, and this has anti-aging benefits in it. And this just helps give me a great, smooth, lightweight foundation. You can't even feel it. And that's the thing with the brush. Not only do you save and conserve foundation, it keeps your fingers clean so that you don't have a mess after you're applying your foundation. And you can see already how great that coverage is for me. The beige N150, it's a neutral, and you don't even have to go down your neck because it's just the perfect match and the perfect blend for all skin types. I'm told we've got the best variety from ivory to bronze skin tones. And it just blends in and looks so natural on my skin. I absolutely love our foundation and of course the brush. So we always like to have the brush, the primer, and the foundation as a great combo to add to your skincare set. So thanks for watching, and I will post all of our info at the end, and you can let me know what foundation coverage you love the most. Again, for more comments and questions and posts, we're gonna get you in our drawing to earn some free products today.